Quartararo. Beautifully done. Fabio Quartararo makes it 2 out of 2. Outstanding from the Yamaha man. Quartararo's got a problem. There's nothing the Frenchman can do.
No.
Serious pain. As Quartararo comes across the line to take the championship lead. Absolutely fantastic. Brilliant breakaway from Zarco. Blasts them in Italy. He's taking his chest protector out. Oh, he's through though now. The Frenchman wins the Dutch TT here in Netherlands. Fabio Quartararo was brilliant. Now, Quartararo is the British Grand Prix winner. Here comes Quartararo then. The Frenchman is onto the podium. Well done to Fabio.